A multi-asset allocation fund invests across several asset classes, but the real question lies in how those assets are positioned at given time. So let's look at the current positioning of Kotak Multi-Asset Allocation Fund. Let's quickly look at how the portfolio is positioned right now. Talking about asset allocation, the portfolio continues to remain equity-led, supported by allocation to debt, gold, silver to diversify smartly. A small portion is also held in cash and arbitrage strategy for liquidity and tactical opportunities. Now, let me give you insights on the portfolio positioning. Starting with equity positioning. The equity exposure was largely maintained during the month. Despite ongoing volatility, the fund remains that the domestic-oriented businesses could be more resilient than the globally linked companies, with the earnings cycle expected to gradually recover. Here's a snapshot of top 5 sectors. These sectors reflect the fund's focus on domestic demand recovery and the businesses with the strong earning visibility. Talking about debt positioning, the debt allocation continues to be managed with the duration of around 5 to 7 years. With a stable liquidity, resilient GDP growth, and supportive inflation outlook, the overall backdrop remains constructive for the Indian debt market. Next is gold and silver positioning. The fund booked partial profits in silver earlier but continued to maintain exposure. Silver remains supported by the industrial demand and supply deficit, while the gold continues to act as a strategic hedge during the periods of global uncertainty. Lastly, talking about arbitrage allocation, the arbitrage component continues to be managed actively. Allocation may increase when the arbitrage spreads are attractive and reduce when the opportunities narrow, while still maintaining equity taxation benefit. Going forward, the strategy remains focused on maintaining diversification across asset classes, benefiting from domestic demand recovery, positioning debt for the relatively stable interest rate environment, and using gold and silver as a portfolio shield while capturing emerging opportunities. The Kotak Multi-Asset Allocation Fund continues to stay diversified and adaptive, aiming to balance growth and stability across changing market cycles.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.